going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so don't miss future videos. So I'm back with my travel assignment, and I'm getting something, but I'm going to wing it with this video because there are 3 REITs to buy. I don't care how tired or fatigued I am. I'm going to be doing this video for you because these 3 REITs I own, they're making a comeback, excellent dividend growth, revenue trends have been good, and I'm very glad that I own them. So again, I like high yield REITs. I like high yield dividend stocks. I like dividend growth stocks. These 3 are kind of all in combined. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check out these 3 REITs right now. First one I want to go over is the NNN REIT. This one has been down for a long time, has not recovered since the pandemic. The S&P's going crazy. Well, right now it's down, but this REIT has not recovered at all. Doing really well, by the way. Average volume is 1.43 million. The market cap is 7.89 billion US dollars. Year range is 37.55 to 49.57. Day range is 42.07 to 42.92. Previous close is 42.89. I'm going to show you a few things about NNN REIT that I really like. So as I do this video with a throbbing headache, and I don't care, I really like posting videos. I actually skipped working out today, so that's a first. The revenue trends have been consistent and they're increasing. Their funds for operation for NNN have been solid. As you see, their revenue has increased by 4.97%. That is very important. Even in 2023, it was up 7.12%. 2022 was up 6.42%. 2021, it was up 9.95%. In 2020, it was a little bit down. You can blame the pandemic, but there's been an increase in revenue every year. So that's one thing that makes them stand out is not only their occupancy rate, their dividend growth, and their FFO has been very solid. And I'm not going to go over FFO numbers, but they've been pretty solid with their FFO. And I'm going to jump to their dividend history. So I'm going to start in 2012, it was 40 cents, 2013, 41 cents, 2014, 42 cents, 2015, 44 cents, 2016, 46 cents, 2017, 48 cents, 2018, 50 cents, 2019, 52 cents. Then in 2020, 52 cents, 51 cents, and then 53 cents, and then 55 cents in 2023, then 57 cents, and then 58 cents. So you're going to see a slight high payout ratio. That happens with REITs. Remember, 90% of what they make go back to investors. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. Dividend growth in 5 years is 2.7%. That's still not too bad because its dividend yield is 5.41%. So if you bought 1 share, you made 232. So I've been buying NNN for the past few years, and it's really paid off very well. Now they're starting to make a comeback, and now they're starting to be in the positive. I'm going to jump to the next REIT. The one that people haven't really mentioned is CareTrust REIT, CTRE, sitting at 2701. They've done pretty well as a REIT, and they're starting to do some serious damage. Their average volume is 1.96 million. The market cap is 5.05 billion US dollars. Year range is 23.26 to 33.15. Day range is 25.88 to 27.02. Previous close is 26.07. So let me jump to the recent trends. Now, again, their funds for operation are pretty decent, but the one thing is the revenue trends have been very strong. So 2020, the revenue was up 9.14%. That was 178.33 million. This is annually. Then you're seeing it's up 7.86% in 2021. And that was 192.35 million. 2022, the revenue was up 1.97%. That was at 196.13 million. 2023 was up 11.03%. It was at 217.77 million. Then in 2024, it was 296.29 million. That was up 36.05%. So you're seeing an increase in the revenue trends. Now, funds for operation are good. All these numbers look good. But again, FFO, AFFO, and revenue trends, those are my three things that I really like when it comes to REITs. Now I'm going to show you its dividend history. I'm going to show you some of its trends starting in 2015. It was 13 cents to 16 cents. Then in 2016, it was 17 cents to 19 cents. In 2018, it was 21 cents. 2019, 23 cents. 2020, 25 cents. 2021, 27 cents. Then in 2022, 28 cents. A little stagnant, but you're seeing some dividend heights in 2024 at 29 cents. So dividend growth in 5 years, 3.44%. Now look at what happened to Medical Properties Trust. They cut their dividend. These guys are hiking their dividend. They have a dividend yield of 4.45%. So if you bought one share, you made $1.16. Its dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. So that's one thing that's very nice with them. Their numbers are going up. And they're going up. So they're starting to be a very attractive REIT, and I own them as well. So let's jump to the final REIT. Prologis is another one sitting at 115.73 that is been a little stagnant. And for me as a dividend investor, especially something with a decrease in price per share, decrease in value, I'm buying. I've been consistently buying Prologis sitting at 115.73. The average volume is 3.35 million. The market cap is 107.19 billion US dollars. Your range is 182 to 135.27. So there's a good chance that my dividends will start buying more shares of Prologis, hopefully because I haven't in my M1 finance portfolio set that way. Day range is 115.66 to 118.01, and previous close is 117.18. So a little bit of a dip, and this is very attractive for me as a dividend investor. So I'm going to jump to the revenue trends. Its funds for operation are pretty good. I'm just going to start in 2020. Revenue trends was up 34.14%, and then in 2021 it was up 9.03%, and its revenue is 5.16 billion. So that's pretty solid. And again, it's the biggest industrial REIT in the world. Revenue 6.28 billion in 2022. That was up 21.71%. 2023 that was up 32.56%. It was at 8.33 billion. 2024 it was up 2.70%, and its revenue was 8.56 billion. So I'm always going to tell you, dividend growth always wins. It's winning. It's doing well. This is why I like buying Prologis. And I'm going to jump to the dividend history. So quarterly dividend, 2013, 28 cents, 2014, 33 cents, 2015, 36 cents, 2015, 40 cents, 2016, 42 cents, 2017, 44 cents, 2018, 48 cents, 2019, 53 cents, 2020, 58 cents, 2021, 63 cents, 2022, 79 cents, 2023, 87 cents, 2024, 96 cents, and 2025, 101. So it's dividend growth in 5 years, 13.66%. Again, you'll see a high payout ratio of 69%. Again, it's a REIT. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 6. You bought one share, you made 384 with a 3.28% dividend yield. So let me jump to M1 Finance real quick. So my NNN REIT, I've made a total of $96.81. So right now I'm at 41.99 shares. So I'm starting to get in the positive with the NNN REIT. If I can get to maybe 200 or 400 shares, I could probably do some serious damage with NNN REIT. So again, you're going to see the dividend snowball effect if you get more shares. So what I plan on doing is my monthly dividend ETFs. Hopefully, you'll be buying shares of NNN REIT and many others. So I'm going to summarize and jump to my disclaimer of why I like these three REITs. So I'm going to summarize my three REITs real quick. One, I own all three. These are pretty strong REITs that I own. They've done pretty well with distributing passive income or dividends for me. And remember, dividend growth always wins. I would like to retire on passive income eventually with REITs. And it's very hard for me to own real estate because I'm so busy. Who knows where I'm going to be right now? And when it comes to owning a stock or REIT that I plan on being long in, I plan on being long in all three of these. You're seeing the consistency of the dividend growth. Now, some of them might be a little bit slower because the dividend yield is higher, but look at Prologis. That's one that I really like. That's one that I've been consistently buying. That's one that I prefer way over these yield max ETFs for retiring on passive income. I don't trust any of the yield max ETFs for long term um, retiring or like long term passive income or long term dividends because look at the inconsistency of MSTY ETF or this stock split on TSLY ETF. You're looking at CONY ETF dropping, AMDY ETF is dropping, YMAX ETF, YMAG ETF, ULTY now is a weekly dividend payer, and now they're starting to decrease in price per share, and they're looking at being a reverse split. These three have I ever worried about a reverse split. I'm actually hopefully going to see a stock split in the future of these three eventually, maybe. No guarantee, but the trends are way better versus the yield max ETFs. The trends are more reliable versus the yield max ETFs. So, this is why I like investing in REITs, and they're one of my favorite sectors. With the real estate sector, they're one of my favorite sectors to invest in. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so don't miss future videos. Bear with me. I did this beat up. I don't have a fever, but I can tell you my bones hurt. You know that feeling when you're not feeling good and you have a migraine, your sensitivity to light, your bones hurt. That's how I feel right now. So take care. Have a good one. I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. So, as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use my YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. It's strictly for entertainment purposes only. Investing is a big risk. You can gain money, you can lose money. So, be aware and do your due diligence. It is best to seek financial advice from a financial advisor. So, go to a financial advisor for financial advice. Go to a tax advisor for tax advice. Again, you have to do your due diligence when you make investments. You can lose money on investments. So be aware, make some smart, educated, and decisive decisions. Take care and have a good one.